How to block group messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open the group chat you want to block from here. Then, tap on the group name at the top. Over here, tap on Delete and block this conversation below. Tap on Delete and block conversation again to confirm. Any new messages in this conversation will be automatically deleted. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily block group messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.